Next, step 4, find research gap. How you will find research gap? Number 1, you can find you can find your gap from your base paper by reading research implications, by reading future research suggestions, okay, and research limitations of that particular paper. So by these 3 ways you can find your research gap easily. Next point is read research model, very simple. Then read research methodology, read results of that particular article, read discussion, what that particular research paper has discussed. Then read the conclusion, what the study has concluded, so you can continue at study and continue it further from there, where that particular article or author has finished his research. Next is read research limitations. As I told you, read future research suggestions,